Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into a supplement that sparks both excitement and skepticism: MSM. With bold claims on one side and doubts on the other, let's take a clear-eyed look at what's real and what's just marketing. Many people encounter bold claims about dietary supplements, and methylsulfonylmethane, MSM, is often at the center of this discussion. Some proponents describe it as a miracle compound, capable of curing a wide range of ailments, chronic pain, allergies. On the other side, skeptics dismiss it as a passing fad, lacking substantial scientific backing. The truth exists somewhere between these extremes. The purpose here is to navigate the scientific literature: what MSM is, how it functions in the body, what its real benefits and limitations are. My goal is to cut through that noise. We'll examine evidence from human clinical trials, animal models, and in vitro studies to build a comprehensive picture. Grounding in science lets us move beyond the hype and evaluate MSM as a specific molecule with specific physiological actions. This helps us appreciate potential supportive roles without exaggerated promises. Approach any supplement with a critical, inquisitive mindset. The human body is complex. A single compound is rarely a cure-all. MSM is an organic sulfur-containing molecule. Sulfur is essential for many biological processes. That makes MSM a research interest. Next sections explore data on anti-inflammatory properties, effects on joint health, potential role in muscle recovery, and safety profile. The objective is to present the scientific facts as they stand, not to promote or discredit. This provides a framework for MSM's place in broader health and wellness. It's not a miracle cure, but evidence suggests tangible benefits for specific conditions: inflammation, joint pain, oxidative stress. Separating established evidence from unsubstantiated claims forms a realistic understanding. To understand the effects of MSM, we must first understand what it is at a molecular level. MSM stands for methylsulfonylmethane. It is a simple, naturally occurring organosulfur compound. Sulfur is the third most abundant mineral in the human body by weight, following calcium. Phosphorus. It is a critical component of key amino acids: methionine, cysteine. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, collagen, keratin. They are essential for the structural integrity of our skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues like cartilage. Sulfur also plays a vital role in detoxification pathways and in the synthesis of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. MSM's primary function as a supplement is to serve as a sulfur donor. When you ingest MSM, it provides a bioavailable source of sulfur for myriad sulfur-dependent processes. The idea is that by ensuring an adequate supply of sulfur, we can support the systems that rely on this mineral. This includes cartilage maintenance, antioxidant production, and regulation of inflammatory responses. Its simple structure, two methyl groups bonded to a sulfonyl group, guides scientific interest. Inflammation is a natural response, but when chronic, it damages tissue and contributes to diseases like osteoarthritis. Some research suggests that MSM can inhibit NF-kappa B, a protein complex that acts as a master switch for inflammation. By downregulating NF-kappa B, MSM may reduce pro-inflammatory cytokines, the signaling molecules that drive the inflammatory process. MSM may also help reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress arises when reactive oxygen species outpace antioxidant defenses. As a sulfur donor, MSM supports glutathione, a potent intracellular antioxidant. Some studies show MSM raises glutathione and lowers oxidative damage after strenuous exercise. This dual action underpins many therapeutic claims. One of the most studied uses is managing joint pain, particularly osteoarthritis. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial found that 3 grams twice daily for 12 weeks decreased pain and improved physical function versus placebo. Benefits are modest but clinically meaningful. MSM is not a cure, nor does it reverse structural damage. Its role is symptomatic relief. Muscle recovery and beyond. In recent years, MSM has gained popularity in the athletic community as a supplement for enhancing post-exercise recovery. Intense activity generates inflammation and oxidative stress that contribute to soreness and damage. The idea is that MSM's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects could mean less soreness and faster recovery. Several studies have tested this with promising, though not entirely consistent, results. In one study, 10 days of MSM reduced markers of muscle damage and oxidative stress after a prolonged run. Another study reported less soreness and fatigue after strenuous leg work. Not all studies find significant effects. Design, exercise type, dosage, and training status vary. Beyond joints and muscles, MSM is marketed for seasonal allergies, skin health, and gastrointestinal issues. Evidence here is weaker and preliminary. A small, non-placebo-controlled study suggested high-dose MSM reduced rhinitis symptoms, but needs replication. Skin claims are plausible via sulfur for collagen and keratin, yet high-quality human trials are scarce. Most evidence is anecdotal or in vitro. A critical consideration is safety. MSM is widely regarded as very safe with low risk of adverse effects. It has generally recognized as safe status from the US FDA. Trials report good tolerance up to 4 to 6 grams per day. Common, usually mild side effects: GI discomfort, bloating, loose stools, occasional headache or skin rash. Start low to assess tolerance. For joints, studies use 1.5 to 6 grams daily, often split. A common start is 1,000 milligrams 1 to 3 times daily. For recovery, about 3 grams per day is typical. Benefits may take several weeks in chronic conditions. Consult a healthcare professional for individualized dosing. MSM is often paired with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s alter eicosanoids via membranes, while MSM inhibits NF-kappa B. Together, they may more broadly dampen inflammation. Vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium may complement MSM for collagen and oxidative defense, though combined effects need more trials. Scientific evidence positions MSM as a useful supportive supplement, not a miraculous cure. It offers modest relief for osteoarthritis symptoms and may reduce post-exercise soreness and oxidative damage. Use it as one tool within a comprehensive plan, potentially alongside omega-3s, with realistic expectations. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.